Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making an easy and fulfilling salad that serves two and results in leftover tuna, which is always good for a weekday recipe. To begin, let's gather our ingredients. 2 cans of tuna, 1 sweet potato, 1 bunch of spinach, 1/3 chopped white or yellow onion, 2 boiled eggs, a handful of cilantro, 1/3 cup vegenaise or mayo of choice, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, salt and pepper, and 2 spoonfuls of olive oil. To begin, bring water to a boil, and in the meantime, chop sweet potato into chunks. Once the water is boiling, add the sweet potato. Boil for about 12 minutes or until you can put a fork through like this. Now onto the tuna mix. Place 2 cans of tuna in a bowl. Then add 1/3 cup of vegenaise, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, 1/3 cup of chopped white or yellow onions, and pepper to taste. Once the timer is done, remove the sweet potato from the water and set aside to cool. Add the eggs and start a timer for 7 minutes. Once the sweet potato chunks are cool, chop them into half moon like this. In a big pan, heat about 2 spoonfuls of olive oil or enough to cover the bottom. Add sweet potato pieces to the pan until full. You might not use the entire sweet potato. Cook on medium heat until both sides are crunchy and golden, normally around 3 minutes per side. When both sides are cooked, add salt to taste. To prepare the salad bowls, wash and chop 1 handful of spinach for each bowl. Then add 1 to 2 scoops of the tuna mix. Add the sweet potato, 1 boiled egg for each bowl, and some chopped cilantro leaves. And with that, it's ready to serve. Remember to stick around to the end in order to screenshot the full ingredient list plus the instructions to complete this recipe. Thank you for watching.